Woo! I am so excited for the topic today because we're going to talk about how I use AI to organize and construct my week. Yes, so let's get started. Sure. Listen, AI is here to stay, guys. Now, I was able to share with you some AI EFTs that I think are something you should take a look at, but I also want to share with you how I use AI just to organize everyday daily tasks. See, AI, that's a computer system that's designed to simulate human intelligence. But man, it performs tasks like learning and reasoning, problem solving, like super quick. They can analyze data, they can recognize patterns, they make recommendations based on your habits and preferences. And so some people are not so too sure about AI, and I get that and I understand it, but I have embraced AI. It is here. And I'm saying, how can it help me? So when it comes to just organizing my day and my week, AI is a powerful tool for me. I help use it to prioritize my tasks because, hey, I go and work part time. Then I also have our YouTube channel and videos and this, and I have stuff to do for home. I have a lot to manage in a week, and I'm sure your schedule is just as busy. So I figured out a way to use AI to help me schedule my week. So I'm going to give you a brief overview of how I structure my week using AI. Some of the benefits I'm going to share with you of using AI to help you prioritize tasks. It's amazing. It's just, you know what? It's just the thing that's here now. So let's embrace it. So I will tell you, I do not use ChatGPT for my weekly scheduling. I choose to use Microsoft's AI, which is called Microsoft Copilot. And the reason I use it is just my own preference, but I feel like Microsoft already has all the information on me that it knows. So might as well use AI through Microsoft because they already have all the data. Chat GPT is amazing as well. And I use it for other things. But when it comes to just my scheduling, I just choose to stick with Microsoft. It's just a preference. But I do use ChatGPT quite a bit, but mostly for other stuff, not for my personal scheduling. So I have taught my AI how to give me an hour by hour weekly schedule. Yes, isn't that exciting? So I want to show you how I do it. So first, I have to give it data. AI is not super intelligent. It needs your intelligence first. And then it takes your intelligence and goes, oh. So I decided to sit down and come up with what are tasks that I want to do every day. So you'll see on my screen the tasks that I have that I want to do every day. So for me, it's wake up at 5:30 a.m. It's just the thing. And I know some of you say, well, why would you wake up at 5:30 on the weekend? Because my body is a clock. I get up at 5:30. I don't use an alarm clock. So I have to get up at 5:30. I may go back to sleep on the weekend, but I still am up at 5:30 every day because my body's a clock. It makes my life smoother when I keep that regimen, when I keep that routine of getting up at 5:30. It just does. Like I said, if it's the weekend, I may get up, I may go, you got to get up and go to the bathroom. I may cash stuff. I may listen to videos. I may do a little French. And then if it's the weekend, I'll go back to sleep. But I get up at 5:30 and I go to bed by 10 just to be consistent. I want to meditate every day for 20 minutes. I want to exercise every day for 10 minutes. I want to practice my French because I'm going to France. I want to take my vitamins every day. I want to go to work on Monday through Thursday from 8 to 3. And I have an hour commute there and an hour commute back. And then I want to breathe and relax at least 2 hours a day. So I tell Mr. Copilot, Miko is his name, this is stuff that I need to do daily. Now, I then identify what are some things that I'm doing this week. I'm putting sauna time in there. There's my self care, y'all. I'm going to the sauna. And I tell it, I'm going to be at the sauna from 5 to 6. It takes 2 hours to get to the sauna and a half an hour to get back home. Factor that in. It doesn't really take me 2 hours to get there, but I need that extra space just in case traffic gets really bad. Record videos for 2 to 3 hours, prep my videos, edit and post the videos, upload shorts, all of that. Got to do it. Cook 2 times a week because I do have to cook once in a while. But I cook a big. When I cook for 3 days. That's how I do it. Grocery shopping 1 time a week for 3 hours. Saturday morning is my wellness time. I do red light therapy and compression, so build that in. Build that in on Saturday. I like to spend 2 hours updating my coffee shop. I like to do my laundry, drop off and pick up. Yes, I found a drop off and pick up service for my laundry. I built it into my budget, and life is so much better. I create my weekly schedule. Let's put an hour down. It doesn't take an hour to do it, but anyway, let's put it down. Then there's sometimes administrative work that I need to do either for my hubby's business or for my business, like taxes, updating the bookkeeping, none of that fun stuff. But I don't want to do it for more than 30 minutes because if I do it for 2 hours at one time, I'll just get because it's not the fun thing I like to do. So I said build in 30-minute increments. And then I do coaching. Many of you know I coach. And so this particular week, I was coaching for 2 hours on Friday and then day night with my hubby. Okay, so this is all the information. It's my weekly schedule, and I hit save and then I close it. So let's stop sharing. Well, honest, that's a lot of work. Once you have it done every week, you're just tweaking the things that you're doing for that week. The other stuff, the daily stuff, it's done. It's already set. Okay? So you got to sit down and put a lot of thought into it the initial time you do it. But then after that, it's so easy to update every week because you're only modifying the things that are different for the following week coming up. Now, let me share with you how the magic works. And so he goes, what can I help you with? And so I am going to upload the file that I just worked on. And now this is where I tell Miko what I want. So Miko is his name, by the way. I asked him. All right, so now I have to type in instructions. I have to tell it what I want. So I say, hello, I would like you to create an hourly schedule for me from Monday through Sunday using the daily and weekly task identified in this file. I like variety, so I don't want to do the task. I don't want to do the daily task at the same time every day. All right. So voila. Let's see what Copilot comes up with. It says, I will extract the daily and weekly task from this Word file that you presented. I'll create a sample schedule each day, ensuring daily tasks are rotated to different times, and I'll integrate weekly tasks at their specified times and distribute flexible tasks throughout the week. So here are the daily tasks that I told it, and here are the weekly tasks. It captured it all. Look at that. Woo! Yes. So here is my schedule. Monday, I'm going to wake up. I'm going to do meditate, exercise, practice my French, breathe, and relax. And then I get to get off to work. Yes. Now notice I didn't tell it I needed to shower and get ready for work. Why? Because I don't need it to tell me when to shower and get ready for work. But what I will do is take my vitamins on Monday and then meditate and exercise and do my French right away. There we go. And then I'll jump in the shower, get dressed, and boom, I'm out the door by 8 o'clock. And so we're going to do it. Now, when I get home, it says do a little admin work for 30 minutes. Remember, I only wanted to do it for 30 minutes. And on Monday, I can cook and then just breathe, relax, have some free time, and then go to bed by 10. Tuesday, it says, how about instead you wake up, do your vitamins, exercise, practice French, and meditate. So initially, I was going to meditate, then exercise and practice French. Now I'm going to exercise, practice French, and then meditate, and then breathe and relax. Then I'm going to go to work. And then I'm going to do some admin time. And then I'm going to prep for my videos. At 5, I'll record videos on Tuesday. That's a good time. Prep and record, breathe, relax, free time, bedtime. Sounds good. I like it so far. Now, Wednesday, I already told it I'm going to the sauna. So it knows don't put nothing down during the sauna time. So I'm going to wake up, practice French, meditate, and exercise, breathe, and relax. So I'm going to go to work, commute. I'm going to do my sauna time, come home, do a little admin for 30 minutes, breathe, relax, free time, and then bedtime. Remember, I only told it I wanted to cook twice a week, so it only put cooking in so far on Monday. So I'm going to have to make a lot of food to last throughout the week. Now, if I wanted to modify it, then I could tell it to modify it. So here's one thing that I noticed on the exercise. I'm going to say, please recommend 10-minute exercises such as each day. So please recommend different 10-minute exercises each day, such as yoga, YouTube videos, etc. And so it gave me indoor walking workout, low impact cardio, even gave me links to go find it. And so now I'm going to say, add this to the skip, add these exercises to the schedule. Woo, ooh, 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 ooh. So indoor walking workout on Monday. On Tuesday, low impact cardio. Wednesday, we're going to do gentle yoga flow. Oh, this is exciting. Thursday, we'll do functional fitness. Cool. I'll have to look this up because they gave a link to look it up. So this is my Thursday. Friday is the day that I don't work. And so it gave me activities to do all day Friday. So look at that, all day Friday. They said, well, you can get your laundry and your grocery shopping done. You can do your coffee shop, coaching session, and free time, then go to bed. Saturday is also a wellness time. Remember, I told you I'm a wellness time, so it got that in. So it did say, hey, get up, get your French in, and do some high impact, and then go do your wellness time. So that'll make wellness way more effective. And then there's day night. Ooh. Now, because I said date night continues until Sunday morning, look how nice it was. It says date night continues, and then I don't wake up till 9. Isn't that nice? All right, so now it says, would you like to create a printable table version of this schedule? Yes, I want a printable table version of this schedule. So there we go. Mm, mm, mm. There it is. It's printable and it's in a table, so it's really easy to follow along. So now it asks, would you like this table in a downloadable format in Word? And so yes, I would. So I am going to do that. I'm going to tell it to give me a downloadable format in Word. Now, I take this information and then I put it in my pink calendar because I have a cute pink calendar because I love pink. So but I print it so I can have this printable copy of it. So it makes it easy for me to put it into my calendar. So there it is. It gives me the schedule in Word and you just click on it. So now this is Microsoft Copilot. I think ChatGPT will do the same thing. And here it is. Here it is. I think you can still see it. Let me make sure you can see it. So here's the schedule. Monday, 5:30, 6 o'clock. Boy, it's an hourly. How do you get it all in? It just feels easier for me when I have my day figured out like this. Now, like I said, I don't leave it in this format because I have a cute pink calendar and it has the hours on it, and I put down where I'm supposed to be or what am I supposed to do. It helps me stay organized. It helps me feel better. It helps me, I don't know, it just helps me. It empowers me. Having my day all figured out, having my week figured out before the week even starts. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was a blessing to you. Thank you so much again for being a part of the Ladybug crew, because I just love sharing these nuggets with you every month. So please, if you feel like there's somebody in your world, in your family, in your friends at work, on the job that could benefit from all this information, have them sign up for the Ladybug crew. As soon as they sign up, they get access to all the videos that I've had posted. I've posted so much information on different topics. And so tell them they go out there and find all that information, watch it with them. You guys go have coffee and talk about some of this stuff and see how is it working in your life, right? Because you got to practice it. You can't just listen to me talk about it. You got to get out there and be about it. Hey, be about it. All right, y'all. I'm about to go now because I'm about to be about it. But I love and appreciate you. Thank you so much for being a part of the Ladybug crew. And if you like this video and you want more videos, remember, you got to keep coming back. Keep coming back. All right. Love you guys. Bye for now.